Looking to create your very own rubber duck? Let's make it with a fringe, and you're gonna absolutely adore it. It's super simple to make. Before adding the backing, pause the machine but keep your project in the hoop. Flip the hoop to see the backside. That's where I'll slowly and clearly show you how to trim the threads. It's easy, really. Just grab your bobbin clip and snip away. Make sure to cut all the threads now because you won't be able to later. So patience is key. Next, we place the backing. Right here on the back side of the hoop, lay down a piece of backing. In my case, it's a rescued scrap from the bin. Perfect for our needs. I use some tape to hold it in place as we flip our hoop back over. Then, we stitch the final seam around our duck. Carefully cut along the seam, and here comes the fun part, fluffing it up. Fluff, fluff, fluff. And there you have it, a cute little ducky. Interested in more animal designs? Reach out if you have any cool ideas. We can make it happen. The design is already available. Check the description for a link to this design. This duck is not just any toy. It's your buddy, ready to tag along in your pocket wherever you go. Whether it's traveling, heading to work, or hitting the stores,